Welcome to Drive Digest, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cars, trucks, and SUVs. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a pickup truck that continues to raise the bar in performance, durability, and style. Let's take a closer look at what this powerhouse has to offer. Knowing that the 2025 Isuzu D-Max boasts a bold, modern design with a reimagined front grille, sleek LED headlights, and enhanced aerodynamics. Larger alloy wheels and fresh body color options give it an aggressive stance, while maintaining its rugged appeal. Perfect for both off-road adventurers and urban commuters, this truck is built to stand out. Under the hood, the D-Max offers an improved diesel engine delivering better fuel efficiency and torque. With a robust 4x4 system and updated suspension, it tackles the toughest terrains effortlessly. Its impressive towing capacity ensures you're ready for any challenge. The word drive. Inside, the 2025 D-Max combines comfort with cutting-edge technology. A larger infotainment screen, wireless connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems create a safe and intuitive driving experience. Premium materials and spacious seating make it as luxurious as it is functional. With its bold design, enhanced performance, and innovative features, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max is a standout in the pickup truck segment. Stay tuned to Drive Digest for more reviews, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest automotive updates.